Want a dessert that's bursting with flavor and fun? Let's make a fruit pie. It's easy, delicious, and ready in a flash. Imagine biting into a crisp crust, filled with sweet and juicy fruits. It's like sunshine on a plate. And the best part? You can whip it up in just 5 minutes. This pie is perfect for hot days when you crave something refreshing. It's so simple, anyone can make it. Get ready for a taste bud adventure. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we begin our baking adventure, let's gather our delicious ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need a million things. Just a few simple ingredients are all we need to create magic. 1 pre-made pie crust. You can find this at the grocery store. 1 cup of fresh strawberries washed and sliced. 1 cup of fresh kiwi peeled and sliced. Half a cup of blueberry pie filling, optional. A little bit of powdered sugar for dusting, see? Easy peasy. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the fun part, putting it all together. All right, baking stars, are you ready to assemble your fruit pie masterpiece? Let's get started. Grab your pre-made pie crust. Carefully place it in your pie pan. Gently press it down so it fits nicely. Now, for the star of the show, the fruit. Spoon the blueberry pie filling into the crust. Spread it evenly with the back of your spoon. Time to decorate. Arrange your strawberry and kiwi slices on top of the blueberry filling. You can create any pattern you like. Circles, swirls, or even smiley faces. Let your imagination run wild. Voila! Your fruit pie is ready to be enjoyed. See? I told you it would be quick. Unleash your inner artist. This is where the real fun begins. Decorating your fruit pie is like painting on an edible canvas. Let those creative juices flow. Try arranging your fruit slices in a spiral pattern. Or how about creating a beautiful flower with kiwi petals and a strawberry center? You can even cut your fruit into fun shapes using cookie cutters. This is a fantastic activity to do with kids. They'll love arranging the fruit and creating their own edible masterpieces. Time to shine and share. Your beautiful fruit pie is ready to shine. Carefully place it on a plate and get ready to dig in. For an extra touch of sweetness, lightly dust the top with powdered sugar. Serve it immediately or chill it in the refrigerator for a cool and refreshing treat. This pie is not just delicious, it's a feast for the eyes too. The recipe is in the description. Don't forget to snap a picture of your creation and share it with me on social media. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy baking. Happy.